Farting on it.
Is he?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Lincoln. How's that seat? You like it? Oh, I'm so proud of you sitting up. Yeah.
You sitting up, dude? Give me your foot. There you go. Look.
You made some good farts in there, too. Oh, Yogi, that's so nice.
Keep your head up.
Lincoln!
You alright? You okay?
Okay, he's had enough.
Yeah.